Hi there, I'm Aman from DPS Halwani Lamachor and you're watching PTO classes. So I'm back with another lesson from grade 9th English, and today we are going to start one more chapter from Moments. Okay, the name of our chapter is The Last Leaf. The Last Leaf. Okay, this is a very interesting story and a very dramatic one. This story has been used in a film also, in Bollywood movie. The story has been taken. Okay, so it is a question up to you that in which movie the story of Last Leaf was there. It is for you to search. Okay, so let's see that what this story is about. Last leaf. What does it mean in Hindi? Aakhri patta. Okay. So when does the tree sheds its leaf? Okay. It is a question in your home road not taken also. What was the season? The season of autumn. In Hindi we call it patjhad. Okay. So when the leaves they fall down from the trees, it is the season of autumn, and the leaves, all of them, they are dropped from the trees. So it is a story not about a leaf, but it is a story about two girls. Sue. Okay, don't call her Sui. It is a very bad pronunciation. Okay, so the name is Sue and John C. Not John Cena. John Cena nahi hai. Who is that? John C. Sue and John C. Two girls are there. One of the girl is very sick. She is not well, and her desire is to do something. Whatever it is there, we will see in the story. I am not going to kill your excitement. So the two girls are there in the story, Sue and John C. We will see that what happens to one of the girl. One of the girl gets ill, and she gets the will of surviving from the leaf. Okay, you have heard this thing that when a person is growing old, or when the person is having any sickness, he or she is dying, they need something to motivate them, to keep them alive. Medicines, food, everything is fine, but one important thing is there, the will to live. जीने की चाह. You have heard this thing कि उसके जीने की तो चाह ही खत्म हो गई. This is a very common thing that you must have heard. So the will to survive, the will to live, the will to enjoy your life, this the girl gets from the leaf. Okay, the leaf that is there on the tree, the last leaf. The season of autumn is there. All the leaves are going away, but one leaf is there. One leaf is there. It is still intact. It is there on the tree. So the girl gets the willpower. The girl gets the motivation that if the leaf, if that single leaf, the minute leaf is having so much life in it that it is denying the death. It is saying that I will continue to survive. That why can't I? So it is a very beautiful story, the story of Last Leaf, that how the girl gets motivation from the leaf and how she survives. Okay, this is a very beautiful story. We will see in the story, okay, that how the girl survives and whether the leaf stays or not. So I am Aman from DPS Halwani Lamachor. You are watching PTO classes. Let's see the chapter Last Leaf. Okay, my picture of leaf. You can draw your own leaves in your notebook. Make your notebooks a little creative. Draw the leaves and draw everything, and you are writing very good. Just be more creative and use your creativity. And let's start the chapter and see what happens in the story Last Leaf.
Okay, so let's now start a reading of the chapter The Last Leaf. It is written by the author O. Henry, and I have already explained you, I have already given you the description, the introduction of the chapter. Let's now see in depth that what the story holds and what happens in our story. So let's begin. The last leaf. It is autumn, the wind is blowing hard, and it is raining heavily. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen except one. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? So, as we have seen in the poem, The Road Not Taken, the season was of autumn. And in autumn, what happens? The leaves, they fall down, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं पतझड़. So this is the season of autumn and the wind is blowing hard so that the leaves get fall down, and meanwhile it is raining heavily also. All the leaves on the ivy creeper is a very big tree. What does creeper means? The kind of plants which take the support of its the stem grows very long. In Hindi we call that जब बेल चढ़ती है, all the creepers, okay, बेल वाले जो होते हैं पेड़, that are called creeper. So the ivy creeper have fallen except one. So all the leaves have fallen except for one leaf. So why doesn't the leaf fall? It is a question before us. So let's see why the leaf is still hanging on the tree and while the others have fallen down. What is so special about this particular leaf? We will see in the story. So let's begin the reading. Sue and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. Here story doesn't mean that kahani, but story means the part of a building. We have 3 stories building, 4 stories, like that. So Sue and Johnsy are two young artists, two young girls. They share a small flat, and they live on the third story of an old house. The flat was on the third story of an old house. The flat was. Johnsy fell very seriously ill in November. She had pneumonia. Here, the spelling of pneumonia we often write wrong. We often spell it wrong. So what is the spelling, right spelling? It is written here pneumonia. I want you to mark this word. I want you to learn the spelling of pneumonia, and the P, the letter P is silent. So Johnsy, one of the girls, Sue and Johnsy are two girls. Johnsy fell very ill in the month of November. She had pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving. So she used to lie on her bed for the whole day, and she would not move because of the condition, pneumonia. Just gazing out of the window. What does gazing means? To look sharply. Just she used to look out of the window constantly. And Sue, her friend, became very worried. She sent for the doctor. Okay, so like it is very normal, very genuine that if a friend is ill, if someone you are close to falls ill, so what happens? You become worried. So same thing was happening with Sue. Because Johnsy was ill, so Sue became worried. She sent for the doctor. She called the doctor. Although he came every day, there was no change in Johnsy's condition. So what happened? Every day a doctor used to visit Johnsy as called by Sue, but the condition never got better. There was no change in the condition and Johnsy was ill. Let's see what happens next. One day, the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, "Is anything worrying Johnsy?" So one day the doctor took Johnsy's friend Sue aside and he asked her that, "Is anything that is worrying Johnsy?" "No," replied Sue, But why do you ask? So Sue became concerned that why doctor is asking such thing. Johnsy is a very happy go kind of a girl. She is not worried. So why he is asking? So the doctor said, Johnsy, it seems has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. If she doesn't want to live, medicines will not help her. So the doctor's reply was that it is looking like that Johnsy has made up her mind. She believes that she will not get better. Her condition will get worse, and she will eventually lose her life. So she has left the will to survive. She has no will to live any longer. Medicines won't work if she will not show any will to live. Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. So Sue, being a very genuine, very good friend, she tried her best to make things interesting in Johnsy's life, in Johnsy's surrounding. She did her best. She talked about clothes and fashions, but Johnsy did not respond. Like all the girls and all the young ones, Johnsy was also very much very much attracted towards fashion, clothes, and all. So Sue tried to win her with clothes, and fashion, but Johnsy showed no response. Johnsy continued to lie still on a bed. Sue brought her drawing board into Johnsy's room and started painting. So it is obvious that Sue was a painter. She used to paint. So what happened? Sue brought her objects, her things, the drawing board into Johnsy's room and started painting. To take Johnsy's mind off her illness, she whistled while working. So what happened? Johnsy was ill, and to take her mind off, she started whistling while working, so that she will catch her eye. She will make something, some noise or something like that, which will make Johnsy move, which will make Johnsy look there. So this was the thing. Suddenly Sue heard Johnsy whisper something. Johnsy before this was not moving. She was constantly gazing outside. She was not saying a thing. So suddenly Sue heard Johnsy whisper something. She said something in a very low voice. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. So Johnsy was counting backwards, like 10, 9, 8, 7, like that. She was looking out of the window and was saying 12. After some time she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7, and so on. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. Anxiously means with a worried behavior. She was anxious and she looked out of the window. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window. So there was an ivy creeper which was climbing up the brick wall opposite the window. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shredding its leaves. It was the season of autumn, so the leaves were falling down. So Sue noticed that Johnsy was counting the number of leaves that were left on the ivy creeper. "What is it, dear?" Sue asked. 6, whispered Johnsy. "They are falling faster now. 3 days ago, they were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now." So Johnsy's response was that 6. There are 6 leaves now. They are falling very faster now. And 3 days ago, there were hundreds of leaves on the ivy creeper. But now, there are only 5 left. "It is autumn," said Sue, "and the leaves will fall." So the season of autumn was there. Johnsy's response, Sue's response was this, that it is the season of autumn and it is obvious that the leaves would fall down. When the last leaf falls, I will die, said Johnsy with finality. Finality means there can be nothing done after this. So she said that when the last leaf falls down from the ivy creeper, I will also die. She said it with so confidence, so finality was in her voice that Sue was worried. I have known this for the last 3 days. Okay, oh, that's nonsense, replied Sue. It is a nonsense thing that you're saying. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? The doctor is confident that you will get better. So, Sue said that it is nonsense. What does the old ivy creeper has to do with your health? The doctor is confident that you will get better, you will improve. So if the leaves fall down, that has nothing to do with your condition. You will get better because you are getting medicines. Doctor is looking after you. I am there for you, and it is natural. It is the thing of nature that leaves will fall down. Johnsy did not say anything. Sue went and brought her a bowl of soup. So Johnsy didn't say anything. Sue went and brought a bowl of soup. I don't want any soup, said Johnsy. I'm not hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. Then I will sleep forever. So Johnsy was so determined that when the leaf will fall down, she will also die, and she wanted to see the last leaf fall down, and then she is saying that I will sleep forever. Sleep forever means she will die. Sue sat on Johnsy's bed, kissed her and said, you are not going to die. So Sue sat with Johnsy and kissed her and said, you are not going to die. I can't draw the curtain for I need the light. So Sue said that she kissed her and said, you are not going to die. I can't draw the curtain for I need the light. I don't want to pull the curtain. I want to finish the painting and get some money for us. Okay, so Sue's response was, they both were young artists. They both were painters. So Sue's response was that I don't want to draw the curtains, because if you will keep on looking the tree, you will get negativity. So but I don't want to draw the curtains as I am painting something, and with that we will get money. We are bachelors, we want money to survive. So I can't draw the curtains also. You have to be positive. Please my dear friend, she begged Johnsy. Sue begged Johnsy that, please my dear friend, promise not to look out of the window while I paint. So Sue said that you have to promise me, my dear friend, that while I am painting, you just don't look outside, because if you will look outside, you will get the negative vibes that leaves will fall down and you are almost very sick. You don't have any willpower left in you, and if you will be so negative, then it will be bad for you. So if you are my friend, you do one thing, you just don't look outside the window. Okay, so we will conclude the video here only. The first part of the chapter I am concluding here. We will see in the story that whether Johnsy listens to her friend Sue, and whether she gets any positivity, whether she gets any willpower to survive, or what happens in the story. By far we have seen that both the girls are painters. They are living on the 3rd story of a building. Their flat is in the 3rd story. They are painters. One girl's name is Sue, one is Johnsy. Johnsy is sick with pneumonia, and one doctor visits her quite often, every day, and the doctor says that Johnsy has made up her mind that she is going to die, and the medicines will not work if she will not have the will to survive. So what happens after this? Sue, she brought a drawing board, as they are artists, and she began to paint. Then she heard her friend whispering something. What she was saying? Johnsy was counting backwards. She was counting the number of leaves falling from the ivy creeper that was on the opposite wall. So the leaves that were left were 4, and Johnsy was saying that when the last leaf would fall down, I will also take my last breath. So she is thinking that her life is connected with the tree. Her life is connected with that ivy creeper. If all the leaves will fall down, she will also take her last breath. As it is the season of autumn, Sue is trying to convince Johnsy that it is a thing of nature. The leaves will have to fall down, and it has nothing to do with your health. And she requests her friend that please, while I am painting, as we are bachelors, we need money, and I will sell this painting and I will get some money for us. So I don't want to draw the curtains, and you will have to just help me in not to look outside the window. If you will look outside the window, you will get negativity and it will be bad for your health. So by far we have learned this much, and I will explain the last part of the story. I will conclude the story in my next video. Hope you have understood by far.
Okay, so here our first half of the chapter concludes. We have covered the half of this story, and we have seen how beautiful the story is. The suspenses are still there, whether the girl will survive, what will happen in the story, we will see. And I am Aman from DPS Andwani Lamachor. You are watching video classes, and we are going to continue this chapter in our next video, and we will see that what happens in the story. So very interesting story. Keep on watching the video. Watch the entire video, because questions come from the book only. Questions come from the story only. The long questions, if you will think you will learn the NCERT solutions, that will not help you. So go through the stories, go through the videos, watch the videos properly, so that you can learn the stories and you can score good marks. And the morals are very good in the stories. You get to learn very much, very new things from the story. So keep on watching the video and watch the video entirely, and we will meet again in the next video, and we will complete the story, The Last Leaf.